Welcome to the Night Radio and Television Station. Here come to the news today. On October 19th, the National Assembly Social Committee have a plenary session in the form of direct and online verification of the government report on the prevention and control of COVID-19 pandemic and the implementation of Resolution number 30th, 2021 of the National Assembly. Ministry of Health Nguyễn Thanh Long says that October 16th, the country have recorded more than 860,000 cases, of which the fall outbreak recorded 858,000 cases and 21,000 deaths. In Ho Chi Minh City, Bình Dương, Đồng Nai, and Long An, the number of new infections and deaths decreased markedly. The government has also issued a series of policies to support workers and employers facing difficulties due to the pandemic, and to distribute rights to people in difficulties. The delegates suggested that the government pay attention to adjustment and to overcome the shortcomings and limitations in the recent pandemic prevention and control, perfecting and enhancing the capacity of the prevention health system in responding to emergency situations, remote vaccine and vaccination diplomacy, focus on restoring social life in addition to economic recovery, reduction, and business. The Đồng Nai Department of Health have just issued an official dispatch to correct the testing and pricing of COVID-19 testing services for private medical facilities in the province. The Department of Health recommends that private medical facilities in the area conduct COVID-19 testing following the direction and guidance of the Ministry of Health. The assignment of testing must be scientific, practical, suitable to the pandemic situation, and avoid abuse and waste. Medical facilities must set prices and declare and announce the prices of COVID-19 testing services in accordance with the law on prices. In case of sample pool testing, the sample pool price must be applied. The sample normal price cannot be applied to collect and pay fee for patients. Ensure reasonable prices for organizations and businesses that need COVID-19 testing. At the same time, consider exempting and reducing the cost of COVID-19 testing for patients with difficult economic circumstances due to the impact of the pandemic. In order to support businesses to overcome difficulties caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and restore reduction in businesses soon, the People's Committee of Ho Chi Minh City have just proposed to postpone the pot-free collection in Ho Chi Minh City until April 1st, 2022. The People's Committee of Ho Chi Minh City proposed the City People's Council to consider and decide to adjust the free collection time for seized pot infrastructure from 12 a.m. October 1st, 2021 to 12 a.m. April 1st, 2022. This is the second time the project of seized pot toll collection has been proposed to be delayed. Previously, Ho Chi Minh City have delayed the toll collection time from 12 a.m. on July 1st, 2021 to 12 a.m. on October 1st, 2021. According to the calculations by Ho Chi Minh City, if the pot fee is collected from October 1st, the expected revenue in 6 months is nearly 1,500 billion VND. The proposal to postpone the pot-free collection this time is to support businesses to overcome difficulties caused by COVID-19 and recover reduction in business soon. The Korean Central News Agency KCNA reported on October 20th that the National Academy of Defense Sciences successfully tested the new model of the submarine-launched ballistic missile SLBM. According to the KCNA, the test launched of the new type SLBM from the same 8.24 Yongan ship from which of the first submarine-launched strategic ballistic missile was successfully launched 5 years ago. The SLBM will greatly contribute to putting the defense technology of the countries on the high level and to enhancing the underwater operational capacity of our Navy. KCNA added, the missile was launched from the sea near Sinpo, where North Korea keeps submarines as well as equipment for the test firing SLBMs. South Korea's Joint Chief of Staff says on Tuesday, this is North Korea's 8th weapon test so far this year. The U.S. Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI) on October 19 raided 2 priorities of the billionaire Oleg Deripaska and a ally of Russian President Vladimir Putin. The spokesperson from the FBI's New York field official confirmed law enforcement activity, but declined further comment. At the house in the Washington, D.C., FBI agents set up a security fence, took many boxes of items. The New York homes also searched. The nature of the raid is unknown at this time. Mr. Deripaska is one of the many individuals subject to U.S. sanctions for having links to President Putin in accusing Russia of meddling in the 2016 U.S. presidential election. In March 2019, Mr. Deripaska filed a lawsuit against the U.S. Justice Department to have the sanctions removed. That's all on the news today. Thanks for watching us. Have a good time. Goodbye.